How to fix X Twitter app error 131. To fix the issue, follow step-by-step process. First, go to settings. After that, scroll down and go to apps. Now, find out the app, or you can search it from search. Go to the X. Now go to storage and then click on clear cache. Back. Go to battery. Click on optimized. Back. Click on notification. Then tap on enable. Now back. Now update your X app from Play Store or App Store, and after that restart your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.